Hello and welcome to CodeJS Technology. My name is Peter. Today I'm excited to bring to you a little hack that I learned about string concatenation. It's very easy. Let me remove. I was working on it over here. Let me remove it and start all over. Okay, so this is the list of strings that I have here, and let's do a little concatenation so that it makes sense. So far, it doesn't make sense. These are just collections of could be anything. You get it. Alright, so we can use a for loop to sort out to solve this problem. So we can say for character in characters, for character in characters. So let's print out the character. And let's print it out and see what happens. Okay. Oh, here we are. We printed it out, but it doesn't come out. It's vertically lined out. So let's put it. Let's have it horizontally lined so that it makes sense to our eyes. Okay, so we have it here. So this comes out nicely, sorted out nicely. There's no problem with that. Problem comes in when now we're working with very long characters, strings, and we want to join them together. And I thought about it that probably the best way to do this is to use a join function. And what we can do, let's create a new variable to hold our output, to hold our the output of the operation. So let's call this new character. And then this new character, we can use this syntax over here. When then is the join function, and then we pass in characters as an argument or as a parameter. Passing the characters as a parameter to this join function. So let's print out this new character thing that we have over here. Okay, so let's print out this new character, and then let's make it upper. Let's make the strings upper. We can use another method over here, the upper method, to make them upper. Okay, so or we can even say that this is my new, because we can print a message. This is my new character. Okay, and let's introduce a new line over here so that we create some space for readability's purpose. So here we are. We have it very well. The first one was this one, programming in lowercase, and the one we just produced with the join function is this is my new character, programming, which it does the same thing, but this is now more efficient, especially when we're dealing with long strings or long characters. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell so that you don't miss any notification of my upcoming videos. See you. And remember, I have also a series on Python that you can get some insight on it, especially if you're a beginner. You could get a lot of insights from my beginner tutorial series.